3 content creation strategies for Pinterest marketing, guys. Give me the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm using to create content for my blog for Pinterest marketing. Very affordable. Guys, stay tuned for this awesome training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, we're going to just hop into the training, guys. And I promise you 3 content creation strategies that I use for Pinterest marketing. Okay, guys, the first thing that you want to do is if you're using content for your blog, you want to make sure that it is some kind of traction towards this particular keyword or this particular content you want to put out there and receive some traffic from Pinterest. So the first thing that I did is I use a tool called Ubersuggest, and it lets me know what kind of traffic that is out there. Now, BuzzSumo is an excellent tool that you can use if you chose to do that. It's kind of pricey, so I want to stay within my budget. So this is the tool that I use to kind of find out if any kind of traction is going on Pinterest. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the keyword content creation. And we're going to do that right here live while y'all are watching this, okay? So let's just look and see what's going on with this particular keyword. And let's just go down here, and it's not that competitive. When you see green here, it's not that competitive. With some backlink and some social media presence, you could rank with that particular keyword. You've noticed that the content creation, that word it's gotten a lot of traffic there on Facebook if you choose to do that with Facebook. But you know the natural search is not friendly for you when it comes to that. You will have to do some social presence when it comes to that. So let's just do a full length of it right here real quick. So if you plan on marketing it with Pinterest, guys, you see certain articles that are there that you could use for this. So you can kind of research, click on the articles and find keywords within this article that you can come in and create on it. Like right here, look at it, 15 free content create tools. Yeah. So yeah, you can look at all of that. So what we're going to do, guys, is let's click back here. Let's go back and look at what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a tool that I'm using that will help you create your articles at a very affordable price, guys. And what we're going to do is it's called synthesis. We're going to create the content. While that content is being created, I'm going to show you the tool that we're talking about. We're going to go right in here, right here. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to type in, let's just click here, content creation. I'm just going to copy and paste that right in here. And what we're going to do is go back and what is content creation? So we're going to create a subtopic. I'm doing this right here live with you guys right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a 750 word article, and you only using 4 credits, guys. So we're going to go ahead and start generating. We're going to let that baby generate in the background and make sure it takes, because sometimes it don't take. Okay. Now it is generating. Now let me show you what I'm using, guys. let's get over here to this. This is synthesis, guys. This is the second part of this content creation that I'm talking about. If you are a beginning blogger and you're trying to get enough content out where you can pin to, because that's the key to when it comes to Pinterest, guys, you have to have enough content to pin to. And buying content, 750 word articles to 1,000 word articles at a time, and you can combine these. You can make an article of 2 type or whatever, 3 type of stuff. You can have a 2 to 3,000 word article. So what you want to do is you want to start out with something that you can afford of. A natural article that's brand new, 500 words is this is just an average writer now. This is just an average writer. It's $15, guys, $15 to $20. And you see, if you starting to post 10 to 15 article posts, you know, you're spending quite a amount of money. So let me just show you this as we go down here to the sales page on Synthesis. All right, let's get down here to what you want to know about this. Synthesis is a very affordable article creation tool that can get you, I'm just telling, this to me is the best deal right here. And I'll have a link below here. That's 833 500 word articles you can have for your blogs. You know, you hear some people say, hey, man, you want these 2,000 and 3,000 word articles? That's fine if you want to do that. But man, sometimes you want to just tell people what they need to do to get them to your page. And when you're trying to market to Pinterest, guys, sometimes you don't need those lengthy articles. And then you do have some articles that you want to create and be specific, step-by-step instructions, and that's something that you have to create on your own. But guys, if you want to start getting some traction to your Pinterest marketing, this is the best way to go, guys. This is real simple and it's very, very affordable, guys. If you did, I'm just gonna grab my phone calculator, 500 articles. I'm just gonna grab it right quick, and I don't have it on the screen, but I'll tell you. 500 articles at about let's just say, let me get to that, let's say 833 articles times just $10, guys. Man, you talking about $8,000, just $10, and that's a subpar article creator. All right, it's still creating, guys. See, it's still moving along. So we just waiting for that to create. And man, you can come in here with this article creation. You can come in and if you're not satisfied with it, you can spin it. I don't really spin it. That's one thing I do not do with these articles because they are unique enough to do that. What I do is, once this article get finished, I take it over here to Grammarly. And I go through and I clean it up to Grammarly. And once I clean it up in Grammarly, guys, that's the third thing that I do on this content creation video that I'm training you guys on. And I clean it up. And guys, let me tell you something. That article, I can get it where when it comes to duplicate content, you can get it to 8%, 5 to 8%. And that'll make it through Google checks, guys. And then it's readable, guys. That's what you want to do. You want it to be readable. That's why I use these 3 techniques to get me some articles out there. So just give it a second so it can go through. Just want you guys to see that process, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video, and then we're going to put it in Grammarly, and then I'm going to show you the how much plagiarism in this article. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the finished product, guys. Look at there. Look at that nice article. Yeah, look what it found. Look what it found. Content creation for your business website. Yeah, guys, you can come in and you can get an image included in here. You can add a video if you wanted to. So I don't know how much extra the credit is. I think that comes with it. But anyway, let me just show you this, guys. I took this article right here. I just took the text right here and I copied and paste and I put it in Granular. So, and I went ahead to cut the video short for a time constraint. I went ahead and corrected everything. Guys, let me show you what they showed me far as plagiarism, guys. When you come out the online, it is 2%, guys. 2%. Look at there. And if you want to, you can come in and see right here. It tells you where this particular sentence is similar. You could come in yourself and you can rewrite just this portion of the sentence and get rid of that. You can come in and rewrite the portion of this sentence. That's just 2 sentences that you would have to recreate to make this be totally unique. Yeah, for 4 credits, guys, and you saw what it is. Look what you can get for that. That is a lot of content. And then also, guys, once you purchase this particular software, guys, you can come in and just add credit when you want to. Very affordable credit, guys. So I'm just trying to tell you, a very outstanding product, and awesome product, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you these 3 things that I use to create content for my my Pinterest marketing, guys. I'm just telling you, I still work a full-time job and I don't have time to create this content myself. And if you're out there still in your 9 to 5 and you want to find a way to create content to speed up your process, this is the best way to go, guys. I just want to show you this tutorial, and I'll have links below to access all of this. Guys, take care. Give me a like and a thumbs up. I mean, a like and a subscribe on this video. Guys, I'll see you the next time around.